और में जो 2019 में पेपर हुआ था नर्सिंग का वह पढ़ेंगे, ठीक है। इसमें है इट टर्म्स ऑफ डिफाइन experimental and non-experimental. Experimental research is the most common type of research which a lot of people refer to as scientific research. Non-experimental research on the other hand is easy used to classify research that is not experimental if clearly defined from experimental research that as such has different use class. Experimental research is the type of research that use a scientific approach towards manipulation one or more control variables and measuring their defect on the development variable whole. Non-experimental research is the type of research that does not involve the manipulation of control variables. The main distinction of two types of research: the manipulation of control variables. Experimental allow for the manipulation of control variables. Non-experimental research example of experimental research are laboratory experiment that involve mixing different chemical element together to see the effect of one element on the other. Well, non-experimental research example are investigation into characteristics of different chemical elements. Types: there are three types of experimental research. Normally experimental research, quasi-experimental research and true experimental research और प्री टेस्ट होती है। इसमें कहाँ दिया हुआ है? क्लासी experimental research can be classified into cross selection research, correlation research, observation research. The different type of experimental research are further divided into the part will whole non-experimental research type of not future divided. फिर इसके करेक्टरिस्टिक्स है, डाटा टूल्स है, गोल्स है और नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन क्यूज है और को इफेक्टिव ऑफ को रिलेशन, ये कम ही पूछते हैं। फिर एक ये क्वेश्चन आएगा स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन का, याद रखना। 2021 का पेपर करेंगे हम बाद में।